1.5 billion people across every continent simultaneously decide to stop eating and drinking from dawn until sunset for 30 days. To an outsider, it looks like a month of hardship. But to a Muslim, it is the most anticipated month of the year. Why? Because it's not about starving the body, it's about feeding the soul. Today, we explore the fourth pillar of Islam, Sawm, or fasting. We're going to look at how a month of restraint creates a lifetime of freedom. Ramadan isn't just a random month chosen for fasting. It is an anniversary. The month of Ramadan is that in which was revealed the Quran, a guidance for the people. Quran Surah 2, verse 185. This is the month the heavens opened, and the first words of the Quran were sent down to the Prophet Muhammad. We fast to honor the criterion, the manual, that teaches us how to distinguish right from wrong. Because it is the month of the Quran, the fast is paired with deep reflection. You're not just emptying your stomach. You're making room in your mind for the guidance that changed the world. We fast to remember the gift of the message. The mechanics of Sawm are simple but strict. From dawn Fajr until sundown Maghrib, Muslims abstain from 3 things: food, drink, and marital relations. But here is the secret ingredient: intention, niyyah. If you just don't eat because you're busy, that's just a diet. For it to be Sawm, you must explicitly intend to do it for the sake of Allah. Now, look at the mercy in the law. The Quran says, whoever is ill or on a journey, then an equal number of other days. Islam is not about torture. If your health is at risk or you are traveling, you are exempt. The goal is to complete the period and glorify Allah, not to cause yourself physical damage. Most of us are slaves to our habits. We eat because we're bored. We drink coffee because we need it. We are ruled by our biological urges. Fasting breaks that cycle. By changing your daily routine in accordance with divine orders, you learn a powerful lesson. You are not a slave to your stomach. When you can say no to a glass of water, the very thing that keeps you alive simply because your Creator asked you to, you develop a spiritual muscle. This discipline spills over into the rest of your life. If you can control your hunger, you can control your anger, you can control your tongue, you can control your desires. You become a master of self. There is also a deep social purpose. You can read about poverty all day, but you will never truly understand it until your stomach growls and your throat is dry. By voluntarily cutting yourself off from comforts, you gain true sympathy. You realize that for millions, the feeling of Ramadan is their everyday reality. This is why charity Sadaqah skyrockets during this month. Fasting softens the heart. It turns the I into we. The verse ends with a beautiful goal, and perhaps you will be grateful. At the end of the day, when you take that first sip of water at sunset, it tastes better than anything you've ever had. You realize how blessed you truly are. Have you ever tried fasting? What did it teach you about yourself? Let's talk in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace be upon you.